How's it going, guys? It's K Cars, and today I'm actually at Diablo Formula Racing, if you see right there. So Andy is actually having an open house today, so I'm not really sure what I'm supposed to do. I guess I'll just go inside and like see if there's anybody there. But I mean, it doesn't look like there's anything happening right now, so I guess we'll find out when we go inside. So we're here at Diablo Formula Racing. Got Andy right there.
What's up, YouTube? How's everybody? Oh, I'm just kidding. I'm sorry. I messed up. Let me try that again. Hi, guys. I love you all.
So we got the... It's a 1000cc, right?
Yes, it is.
Nice.
Remember what I said?
So you got his motorcycle right here. I believe it's a Honda CBR. You see the nice wrap on it.
Just be careful.
Right here is a snowmobile.
Yeah, the RX-1.
You ride this a lot?
Not right now.
Yeah.
We have not gotten... Come on, shut that door. Oh my God, this kid. Kids, I tell you what. Don't have kids, guys.
I'm not.
Do not have kids. Dead serious. But yeah, I wish we'd have more snow, but we're not getting enough snow down here. I mean,
yeah.
Yesterday we got like 3 or 4 inches maybe, like real quick, and now obviously it's all like gone.
It's all melted, yeah.
So it sucks. I had it out one time this year, and it was like hardly not even enough of snow to have some good, have fun. So,
yeah, I'm ready for summer. I hate winter.
I love winter as long as we're getting snow. You know what I mean? I want to still try to go up to New York and take this up to New York and stuff, but I don't know. I got so much stuff I got to do here, and
Yeah.
so much stuff going on, and then I got so much stuff that I'm trying to plan to do for the summer. Like I'm trying to go to Texas 2K. I'm going to LS Fest this year. I'm trying to go to Florida this year.
Are you also going to Cruise Week in Ocean City?
Yes, that's another thing. I'm taking that car down to Cruise Week as well.
Yeah.
So there's so much that I've got to prepare for. So I don't really have a lot of time to do much of anything other than get here, get stuff done, go home. And I hardly spend any time at home unless I have my kids. Because when I have my kids, and I have no choice but to be home.
Yeah.
And they drive me up a freaking wall all day long, every single day. So
Yeah, but that would be awesome to see you in Ocean City.
I'll be down there.
Yeah.
If not, I'll be down there with the Redbird. 99% sure I'll be down there with the Redbird, unless something happens, like it blows up or I wreck it or whatever. But either way, I'll still have the GTP.
Yeah.
So if I don't take that down, I'll take the GTP down, which probably would actually be better for that down there, honestly, because a lot of the races are like the light races anyways.
Yeah.
Unless they go on the highway. And I mean, the way my car is going to be set up, it's going to be a rolling car. It's not going to be a dead light stopping car. You know what I mean? I love that thing. Somebody gave me a hood. Some guy came down yesterday from Philly, rented a U-Haul truck, okay, and brought me that SLP hood, fiberglass SLP hood.
Nice.
And painted black and everything. I'm thinking about just putting it on black.
That would look cool.
Really? You think? Everybody
so.
seems to say that. I don't know if it would look cool.
I feel like.
But everybody's like, the black hood on the white car would look nice. I'm like, I don't understand how you would think that would look nice.
So you have the lemonade, the JR garage.
Yeah, that's been sitting up there for a while. I don't want to throw it out because it was so funny.
Yeah.
So I had to do something with it, so I stuck it up there. And it's funny how people come in here sometimes, they take pictures of it. They love it. Come along. Yeah.
So what's like a good mod to get after I get the long tube headers for a Challenger?
Do you have like a quarter intake?
Oh yeah.
Is it tuned?
Oh, it's gonna get tuned.
That would probably be the next best thing, is get a good tune on it. Don't get one. What year is it? 16. Okay, so you have to send the ECU in because the ECUs are locked from factory.
Yeah.
We can do that here. Like I've sent those in before. It's $250 to send them into HV tuners and have them unlocked, and then they send them back, and then you've licensed the VIN, which is another $100. So you got $350 just alone in unlocking, jailbreaking the computer and licensing the VIN, and that's before the tuning even gets started. But I mean, a good tune will definitely make a big difference in that car.
Yeah, I think I'm just getting the unlocked PCM, like a whole separate one.
Yeah, I was gonna say, I know they make those too, where you can just get a whole new separate PCM, just plug that one in.
You know if Mike's gonna be in Ocean City too?
I'll drag his ass down there.
Do it.
I will.
Be awesome.
I'll be like, Mike, you know where you're going. Where? Yeah. Ocean City, bitch. Bring your laptop to edit videos. We're going down for 4 days. Bring your vet.
Yeah, that would be awesome.
He'd get so many tickets down there. It wouldn't even be funny how many tickets he got down there.
How did he not lose his license already?
You know what? I talked to him about that the other day, and I'm like, dude, like you need to chill out and calm down because eventually they're not going to put up with you anymore, and they're gonna hammer you.
I mean, in those videos, it seemed like you were like keeping up with him.
Oh yeah. Well, what happened was he went from it was so funny because he went from third to fifth gear by accident.
Yeah.
I went from second, and when I was manually shifting up to third, I pushed it into overdrive instead. And I was like, oh shit, and I slapped it back down to third, but by then it went into lockup immediately, and it was over at that point. So I'm like, dang it. And then the car caught on fire, so you know. stupid over pressurizing the crankcase and blowing oil out the back. That was scary. Like I'm going down the highway and my buddy's like, yo, there's a lot of smoke coming out the back of your car. I'm like, I'm pressing on the gas. I'm like, doesn't feel like it blew up. It's still going. I was like, we're 2 miles away from the exit. Let's just get off the highway. That way we're off the highway, you know what I mean? And the minute we stopped, all that smoke went woof, and I was like, oh shit. And I pulled over, and I was thinking for a second, I was like, maybe I should pull underneath that bridge. And I was like, nah, it's probably a bad idea because if the car is on fire, then the car's gonna catch on fire and it's gonna be underneath a freaking bridge, which is never a good idea. So that's why I parked like before the bridge, and we got out and popped the hood, and there's flames coming out. I was like, holy smokes. It was that heat wrap. I'll never put heat wrap on pipe again, ever.
So how'd you put it out? You just blew on it?
It literally, I mean, you're not going to blow out a oil fire. Yeah. And I was trying to blow it out. I was like blowing on it. And it wasn't doing shit. It just went out after the all the oil from the heat wrap burned away. And then it went out. It literally extinguished itself because there was no more oil left in the heat wrap to burn.
Yeah.
So it just went out. So that's what really happened. Like what happened was all that oil it was spraying out the back of the motor. And it was hitting that heat wrap because the crossover pipe was underneath the bell housing of the tranny. So it's spraying oil all over that and just soaked it. And finally, from the heat, it just ignited. And that's how the fire started. Crazy, man.
800 shot.
About to hear a ZL1 start up.
Didn't get it.
You got it. Bring it on, boss. Almost. There's a little bit in here on this side. Ready, Freddie? Everything good to go? There's a code, that's why. I know what code I need to delete. We'll do that later. I'm not concerned about that right now. When I was at my old shop, I was pulling F-body transmissions out on the ground in an hour.
Yeah, we did it on the ground once. That was fun.
Yeah.
I got a lift now. I got a 4-post, but it's a lot easier. But man, on the ground, trying to get that thing, we had to use this boot to get actually that last little inch, man. It wouldn't go in.
Yep. 6-speeds are always fun to get back in.
Yeah, that's what it was.
Oh, what was it? The automatics are so much easier.
Yeah.
You just pop them back and they just come straight down. Them 6-speeds, man.
No, it's gotta go this way, this way.
You gotta like jiggle it up and down, go fucking sideways.
While it's on a jack on the floor, right here like this. Yeah.
I've been under there with all my chest already. Just lift them up and take them in.
My buddy pulled it out. He pulled it out and just dropped on him. So I'm like, you're fucking crazy, man. Get it off.
They're still heavy. I mean,
yeah, you know.
Did you drain it or was the fluid still in it?
No, everything was still in it.
Yeah, so it's
I blew the bearing blew out when I was driving, so I just had to replace the
power
slave.
bearing.
Yep.
Oh,
No, the slave.
Okay.
So the throwout.
Yeah.
So I took it all off, put the new one on there, and I bought a new clutch for it and just threw it all back
What clutch
together.
did you get?
I got a Ram clutch. I think I had a stage 3, and I think I went back in with a stage 2.
I would have went with an LS7 clutch.
At the time, I already had that in there. I didn't mind it because I do very little to go to the track, and I just screw around the street with it a lot. But
All right, so as you guys see, Andy's a pretty cool guy. Like, he's pretty funny, really nice. Just opened up his shop to everybody who wanted to come stop by. I went in and looked at his ZL1 that he was working on. As you guys saw, he started it up for us. So yeah, that was really awesome. So now we're gonna head to Motorama, and I'm gonna make that a separate video actually. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.